What a hot summer day. The guy must be thirsty.
Hey, bro. Let me get water. Over there. There? Yeah, you can buy water. Yes, thank you.
Seems like he can get water after walk a long way. The door looks very secure. Oh, he maybe got a problem. Oh wait, the girl opened the door.
Hey, how did you open the door?
Oh, it's very easy. Select the door and show your face.
Okay.
Then you can choose where the product you need.
Okay.
黑门成功。If you don't want, you can put it back.
Oh yes, he finally got a drink. He's as happy as a child.
Together, let's step into the new era of unmanned retail. Micron Smart Vending.